Hello everyone, here's Savita. Good evening. It's early in the evening and it's really beautiful. So I thought I could just take you for a walk, just showing you what is in bloom right now. There are so many different fragrances in the garden right now. Most of the roses are just showing off in full bloom, and the lavenders anyway. I am preparing a big party, a garden party for my husband. He just retired, and it will be this weekend, Saturday. And I'm just so happy that the garden is just in full bloom right now. There are so many different fragrances that I can smell wherever I go. The roses are all in full bloom. The lavenders are just so fragrant, and the herbs, different fragrances from the herbs too. So I thought I can just show you some early summer impressions from the garden, and I hope you'll join me, and I just really hope you can smell the garden right now, guys. It's so fragrant. Anyway, please enjoy it.